Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the cooking angel, here again, and we're back with another video. So today we're going to be making a very delicious sauce. So if you're new here, thank you for joining us. I'm the cooking angel, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the red button down below, and like this video if this is what you want to keep on seeing. Thank you guys for all the love on my last video. I really do appreciate it. So guys, let's get into this video without further ado.
The first thing we're doing is chopping our vegetables. So we have vegetables such as carrots, green beans, and lime. But lime is just to give a little hint of acidity to our sauce. So we're not going to be chopping that. Just cut it in half and leave it aside.
Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So now we're going to be preparing our thickener. So we're using corn flour. We have about 2 tablespoons of corn flour here. Then add in some water. That's about 1/4 cup of water. So guys, the ingredient list is going to be in the description box, so make sure to check it out. So you're just going to stir this and make sure it get mixed together, because corn flour sometimes stick to the bottom of whatever you're using to mix it. So make sure it's fully ready. So now we have our oil in our pan already. We have about 2 tablespoons of oil here. So you're going to come in with onions already chopped, 1 medium size, then stir that together. And then, very important guys, you know how I say this is very important, garlic is very important. So stir that till the aroma starts to fill your nose. Then you come in with the star, which is shrimps. So add any amount of shrimp you have, and then just let that sit till it turns pink. Then you know that it's ready, and you take it out of the pan. Guys, so the next thing we're going to be adding is milk. This is actually almond milk, but if you have any other milk, you can use it. This is for someone that wants to eat plant-based products. That's why we're using almond milk. So stir that together. You can also come in with water at this point if you don't have like so much milk, depending on you. So I decided to do a mixture of both, so you can do anything you want, guys, no pressure. So now come in with salt, Maggi, and also pepper, Cameroon pepper, guys, not black pepper, Cameroon pepper. So don't worry, the measurements for all these are in the description box. Check it out. Stir that together so that all the seasoning can get incorporated into the sauce. So guys, I added oregano seasoning to this, but if you don't have it, you can leave it aside. Then you come in with your vegetables, your carrots, your green beans. It's not yet time for the lime, don't worry, I'll add it soon. So make sure you stir that all together so that all the carrots and the green beans can get into the sauce. So if you realize that your sauce is too small, you can add some more water like I did here, and then stir that very well. You can chop your carrots in different sizes as you want to, guys, as you want to. No pressure. Then when you're done with stirring, you come in with your lime, guys. You just need 1/2 of the cut that we did initially. So I'm putting my hand over it so that we don't have seeds getting into the food. So set that all together and when you're done, the next thing you're going to do is coming back with your shrimps, right? Because this is our flavor, our fish or our meat. I don't even know what to classify shrimp as, but it's just something that is like protein. Yeah. So stir that together, and then we come in with our thickener, guys. So this is very tricky. You can either get too thick or thin sauce depending on what you do. So if you do not want a sauce that is too thick, just leave this for about 30 seconds on fire and take it off immediately. But if you want a very thick sauce, you can leave it for about a minute, then you take it out. But then if you end up forgetting that, oh, I have a thickener in here, and leave it for too long and it gets really thick, you can adjust that by adding more water to your sauce so that it lightens up a bit. So guys, now we're done. Now we have made the sauce. Oh my god, you guys, this thing was very, very delicious. So can you see that thickness? Can you see? Omo, if you're not trying this recipe, I don't know what you're doing. No, if they tell you say I know sabi cook, then they lie.
Hi guys, how you doing? You guys can tell that I just finished cooking and I look exhausted. So you know how we do it now. I'm here to taste the food in front of you guys. So you guys can see this way it looks. Sorry. Anyways, I finished taking pictures and done all of that. So let's just let me see if I can show you guys this. Hey, you guys are seeing my body. And yo, that's what it looks like when there's like full-on light on it. Hopefully I can edit the pictures to look this way also. Anyways, so let's taste the food. If you leave me, I'll finish the food in your presence. All I can tell you is that this food is the bomb. In the middle of making this recipe, it was like as if my recipe was about to spoil. Anyways, in the middle of making it, was like as if it was going to spoil. If you notice, my pan was turning a bit brown because my heat was too much. But I mean, like, it's really nice. And I tried something. I did not put salt in the rice because I wanted to see how well the sauce can complement the rice without any salt. And guys, it was bomb. And also I'm trying, because I'm making this for someone that shouldn't be taking a lot of salt, so with everything it just comes together. Like, I'm so amazed, I'm so happy. Like, you guys should not be sleeping on my recipes though, because what anyways guys, so that'll be the end of this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. I beg you, subscribe please. Ejo Mbok, which other one? Do subscribe if you have not subscribed, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you can see when I upload a new video. I should be having a vlog coming up soon, hopefully. Anyways, so that'll be all. This food tasted amazing. Subscribe, like this video, share with everybody that you know, because like, come look at it. Please. Bye bye guys, I'll see you in my next one. Okay, it was delicious, that's all I can tell you.